Alright, we made it up here in Angeles Crest in the daily. About an hour late, but while I'm talking to you guys, starting off this vlog, starting off today's video, I'm gonna play some footage of driving around and everything. Driving up here was pretty cool. For the most part, it was a white Ford Explorer. It was taking forever to get out of the way. Right behind me was an Evo 9, so I know he was ready to go because the moment I was able to pull off, making that left turn, he kind of just took off like a madman, lost him completely. Over here at this location, there is a tan Porsche. There's actually two tan Porsches that were behind me. One of them was, the other one is over here now, but that car, the moment I was able to pull off to the side, he took off as well. So driving up here was pretty cool. It was an overall good experience in driving. The car itself did handle well, but with that traction control off, even then the car still had an issue with the weight because you know, in my trunk I do have the jack and all the other good junk inside, so of course it was a lot of weight on the car in each corner. It was putting a lot of pressure onto that what do they call that, over the steering and whatever, so that was a little downside about that. But other than that, the drive over here was pretty cool. Still talking about the day. So today is the 1st of December. So starting off December, we're going to be doing the canyon drive. You guys see in the video, I just fixed control arms on this car. Wasn't too hard of a job. You know, I wish I had the right tools to beat it out quick and easy, but it is what it is with that one. And now it's going to be a very busy, if I can even get my words together, guys, it's going to be a very, very busy start of this month already. Usually this happens only within the 3rd week or so of the month, or even the 2nd week. I'm not too sure because it's been so much meets. It's already the end of the year, 12th month of the year, 12 months doing YouTube, 12 months going to car meets, and Sundays are always the nastier days. Today is Friday. Well, the video time uploading is going to be actually on Saturday. Sorry, it's going to be actually on Saturday. And today is Saturday. There's 2 other events that are happening in Anaheim. A lot of stuff's happening in the Anaheim, Santa Ana area. So we're going to be going to C-Dub Tech and I believe Octane and Wheels. So that's going to be happening Saturday. Sunday, there's going to be 6 different meets, but one of them, Cali Creaming, we're not going to be able to attend because, well, that's all the way up north. So we're not going to be able to go to that one, sadly, but there's so many different things happening on Sunday. So get ready, guys, for a full week of car content, car spotting, not car spotting, but car content overall in general. It's going to be a lot of different videos. It's going to be an amazing week out. And also December 16th, if you guys want a chance to win a PS4, come through to our end of the month meet. Well, middle of the month meet, really. Bunch of stuff happening with Christmas and stuff, but yeah, there's so much happening over here. Now that was a quick little sped up of me driving around. I want to get the drone out, but I feel like people are leaving and the drone doesn't have the mic on it yet because I'm a broke boy. And maybe even if I get the camera out, actually before I do that, I know some other footage still here going through this mountain canyon. You know, over here there was a NSX that showed up. That was pretty cool. And then turning the corner, there was a you know, Porsche, BMW, and a lot of cool cars pulling up while on the trip over here. And now, you know, we're over here, Newcombs Ranch. So pretty cool area, pretty cool spot, a lot of cool cars. But man, it is frosty up here. Also, something else I want to talk about is that I really did not want to bring up the Fiat, even though yes, it is technically legal, even though yes, it runs. Up here, there's no reception, there's no Wi-Fi, there's no nothing. So if my car was to blow up halfway up, I'm pretty much stranded without having an automobile or a phone. And that means I would have to probably push the car up and down the mountains just to make it back to civilization or somewhere with Wi-Fi reception. But yeah, so I'm gonna throw some drone footage up in the air right now. I'm about to put some like music over it just to kind of like see. I've never actually been in the drone over here, and I keep talking about the drone, but I really want to get more shots up in the air down on the ground, more cinematic. As I get better on it, better with the flying, I promise you shots are going to be a lot better. I do want to get a little bit more into the editing area to where I can understand the colors and understand how all the different settings go with shadows and brightness and all that other good stuff that comes with editing. Also later on, you guys might hear that I have the camera flutter in the background, and that is due to you know, some photos being taken. So I have Happy's camera, which is a Canon what is this, Canon EOS Rebel T7. So that's the one that I'll be taking photos on for the thumbnail. If you guys follow me on Instagram, Penny the Abarth _, photos will be up there as well. So cool day over here. Yeah, enough of me chit chatting. Let's go ahead and head up in the air and see what's up over here. Mm. All right, back on the ground over here, straight from the air, driving all over the roads. Man, this has been one adventurous day. And there's not that many cars here, but honestly, it's a really good day out here anyway. This thing's amazing in that blue color. Can't believe they actually have one in blue. Yeah, it's paint, and that's paint. That's dope. So over here, walking around, there's a lot of yellow cars. Yellow Miata, yellow Type R, yellow Supra. Cool day out here. Cold day out here. Cool cars, cool people, cool vibes. Toy drive out here. Promise it's not going to be an all the way vlog. We're just going to be waiting for everybody, I guess, to take off, and then I'll get the takeoff video for you guys. Just a small little walk around right now. BMW over here. Can't wait for these cars to take off. I think it's over at 12, but we'll find out what happens. For now, I'm just going to chill in the sun. Look at that. Nice. Okay, I think I've seen it all. The car I wanted to see left. Which is that Porsche with the twin turbo skis out the rear end. That thing was sick. It's a really chilly day out here. This guy's got conchas. Oh man. I would, but nah, I can't do that. Do I know this guy? No, it's a whole different one. R33. Yeah, I guess that's the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoy this content today out here as discussed. Newcombs Ranch. This place is up for sale during winter time. Later on there'll be a lot of snow up here, but right now it's just chilly. So okay, so me from the future now, I've come to a very big decision, guys. This video was really good. When I edited it, I kind of just didn't want to retouch up anything or re-add anything to it. The big news is I have gotten a lot of stuff for December 16th, and then obviously rent hit at the end of the month. So financially wise, guys, I do not have the funds for tomorrow. A lot of the events are all taking place in the East Coast, in the South area. It's kind of sad, you know, I really wanted to go and do that, but there is just too much happening for all the different car meets around, and I just don't have the gas money to do it. So my apologies. I really wanted next week to be super awesome, starting December off with a big banger, but stuff happens, life happens, finance happens. There will be some more videos coming up. December 16th, like I said, if you guys want to come out, I've spent a lot of money on this event. Nothing is funded from YouTube, so it's going to be coming though. I'm not giving up. There'll be some videos, shorts here, there, so you guys know I'm still alive and still doing YouTube. If you guys want to chat with me or, you know, keep updated with everything else, Penny the A-Barth or even Chill Float, that's the page of my brand. So sorry to disappoint you guys. I really wanted to go, like I said, Saturday morning. Disneyland. There have been a lot of cool car meets coming up, and I believe on Sunday Stradman was going to be in Costa Mesa, so would have been cool to see all that. Would have been cool to meet him. You know, we all started off here in Beverly Hills. I started off with my Fiat, but very similar. There's a lot of exotic cars. Just recently right here there was a RS Pony, that's his name. So they had a Tiffany blue Mustang that was wrapped, carbon fiber front end. There's always cars around, there's always car content, but subscribe, like, comment, share the video. This drone video was super cool. I hope you guys did enjoy that. It was very fun editing it, and flying under the bridge was crazy. But yeah, thank you guys for that love and support, and as always, stay safe and stay chill.